Welcome to my channel, friends. Today I am going to show you how to download Dropbox from your computer or laptop for free version. You go to Google Chrome. Here you will type Dropbox download. Click on this. Download Dropbox is here. That is advertising. Click downward. It is asking here. It is and started. You have to just keep and it is downloaded. And go to open now. We'll minimize this. Click S. So started installation now. So it is started downloading from there. It will take few minutes to install. So in this Dropbox it is used to keep your file protect on the cloud base, like on your files or likes on your Dropbox, like on your desktop's files, and my computer's files is safe in the Dropbox. So this will be safe online. Your computer will be formatted, then also it will be safe. You can access from anywhere from your country, wherever you go. So this is the use of Dropbox. After installing your desktop and your My Documents file will be safe. Once installed, only thing is that your internet should be on always when you're using your computer or laptop. It automatically syncs all their files in the Dropbox. It will take little bit time because it's depend on the speed of your computer and the internet, how much speed of your to install the Dropbox. It is installed. We'll check it out from here. Just setting up. Sign in. If you got Apple ID, you can sign in with the Apple ID. Otherwise, sign in. I got the Google ID, so I'm installing with the Google. Signing in with the continue with sign in Google. This is my email ID. I will click on this. It's asking well done. Dropbox is installed. Click next. So it is installed. It will ask user ID password. Just put your user ID and password. That's it. Now we will check it out how you can use. All the file will be sync. He is telling choose how to sync your files. Make hard drive as offline or online, so I want to make it online. So I'll click on this and save space with plus. Click on this. Minimize this one. So it is asking to buy. If you don't want to buy it, for the more space you have to buy from here, and it is given a credit card is by the payment or PayPal. If you want this space to buy, you can, but I want a free one, so I will take a free one only. So I will close it to this and we'll check it out here now again. This is all files which is sync with this. This is my Dropbox. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, friends. Thank you.